New Year traders, this is as good as it gets. Let me tell you something. Zjyl had a low today, and we featured this. Now, let me just tell you something. The low was $131, and it shot straight up to the high. Check this out, $310. Then they sold into the move, and it's pulled back. Once again, to get these big plays like this on an intraday level, $187 move, intraday pop. Oh yes, sign up for the free 5-day trial, Tommy Trader. He's going to put you in these kind of trades in 2024. It's time that you take a look at the kind of money that is waiting on you when you join turbooptiontrading.com. And not only that, we have a brand new website going up, and it's going to have all the big plays intraday. Join up for the live trading room. It's free. You'll get to watch me live in action on the big pops. $187 move.